I'm excited. Hey guys, how are you? So welcome back to my channel. So I'm Shanti, and today in this video is going to be a bit different to my usual videos, but I'm actually going to be doing an unpacking video of a new lace closure wig that I've just received from Ziola hair. Now, I'm always doing like reviews, just directly like showing you guys what the wigs look like when they're on, but this time around I wanted to do something a bit different and kind of take it a bit of a step back and just show you like how basically, well, what the wig looks like when it comes. Now, what I already have done, because I was super excited, was I'd already unpackaged. I'd already opened the package, to be honest, so I just like kind of wrapped it back up and put it back in. So yeah, this is literally gonna reopen it and show you guys the new lace wig that's just come in stock. So yeah, stay tuned. Now, the wig that I've been sent today is the Rochelle wig. Now, Rochelle is a 22-inch wig, and she is a beautiful ash, well, yeah, it's like an ash blonde. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, remember guys, I did actually open this. So usually when I get the lace wigs, I kind of do a bit of work on them. I'll just get the mannequin head, I'll re-pluck the hairline, like I might just make it a bit more deeper, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and I also do cut on the inside of the wig, which I'm going to show you. I just cut that like a piece of the cloth out, just so that when I put the lace wig on, it sits on my stocking cap and has more of a natural look. Yeah, so this is the new Rochelle lace frontal wig. So I was talking about, so she is like a really nice ash blonde, and she's ombre as well, so as you can see. So yeah, here's a lace closure, and this is the inside of the wig. Now what I do, side note, to let you know, is I do cut this bit out. So just get a pair of scissors and I just cut it out. That's it. So when I literally put on my wig, I make sure that the stocking cap underneath is on. And the stocking cap I have on is like more of a nude, and I just put my own foundation on top so that the stocking cap matches my foundation a lot better with my face. And another trick which I learned from Miss Roche Posh online is that she actually puts foundation on the inside of the lace, which I thought is a really good idea, so you can also do that. And the lace is actually already, I don't know if you can see, she's like a tanned brown color already, so I actually don't really need to go in there and bleach these knots, to be honest. I thought I would. So look at that, like she blends so nicely already. Yeah, so I don't actually have to bleach the knots, but yeah, I probably would go in a bit more and just like work, once I put her on, I would just work the hairline a bit better, so it looks a lot more like natural when it's on. But yeah, this is the Rochelle lace closure wig. So I'm excited to try her and get her on and show you guys, so you guys can see what she looks like. And yeah, like I said, I've just received her, so I can't really give much of a review, but I think it would be really nice just to show you guys what she looks like on. And as always, the hair from Ziola hair is just perfect. It's amazing quality, as we know from my prior experience. So and if you don't know, then go back to my review on Bailey, which is what I'm wearing now, and you will get the lowdown of what happened with my hair. But anyway, yeah, so this is the Rochelle wig. I'm excited. I'm super excited to get it on. Like, sorry, I get so excited. Like, I just literally like work on it, on the wigs as soon as I get them, and then forget that I should be showing you guys, right? So yeah, I love the color. I like the ombre as well. You know, I love like how like it goes from black to blonde. I think this would have been nice as well in a frontal, but it's fine. Like, because I usually just wear my hair like this anyway, so it doesn't really make any sense for me to get a frontal. But yeah, that's the Rochelle wig. So if you want to see what this Rochelle wig looks like and you're excited and keen as I am, then definitely check out my review, which will be coming, where I'll have her installed and on my head so you can see her. And yeah, so that was basically just a quick unpackaging video. That was actually just a quick unpackaging video so you guys could see what's coming up. And yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe as well, right? But have a good evening, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
No, oh no, girl, you make me go low, shaking the ass like